Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to change the spring on your kickstand. It's really important to do. I'm going to show you a little bit later some images of the old spring that I took off and how I did it. But here's a couple tricks that I learned. And this is a compilation of what a couple other guys were doing. So put your bike in gear, throw your kickstand down just in case, and then lean it up against the wall. That is one of the best tricks I've ever seen. Once it's leaned up against the wall, because it's in gear, it's not going anywhere, but block your front tire, so just in case it does start to roll, it won't go anywhere. Once you've got it like that, if you want to come in a little bit, take a look down here. This is a 2008 Nightster, and your kickstand might not be the same, but it's super easy. There's a cotter pin. Pull the cotter pin out. Just be careful and make sure you follow the order of how everything comes apart. But it's going to be about 2 or 3 pieces. The entire kickstand is going to come off, and then you can change your spring. So the way you do it is you put the new spring on, then you put all the parts back together, and then you're off and running. The reason why you want to do this is if you break your spring, your kickstand stays down, you can't ride. I had to zap strap my kickstand up just to get home. So go ahead and make that change. It only cost me about $8 for the spring. And every bike I buy after this, I'm going to change the kickstand spring right at the beginning just to avoid that from happening again. Hope that helps.